Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a foldable table. And you see here basically what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So inside they do give you guys another box inside a box, but inside the box right here you see they do have the brand logo, and it do show you guys a photo of what the product looks like. So let me actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, you can see how the product is all nicely wrapped up. Let's take out the wrapper first. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. And also you can see the inside right here, they do provide you guys some extra accessories for the bottom part of the non-slip material. So that way you do have some backup one just in case. You can see the way how they designed this one right here is basically a marble design. They do have this available in the black design as well. So if you guys prefer that, you can get that instead. But right here in the back part, here is basically what the product looks like. If you can see for the bottom part right here, they do have the non-slip material. So that way when you guys do put on a flat surface, it won't move around. Like I mentioned, for the table, it does have a foldable design. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys how to set it up. So all you're gonna do is go like this. And once you guys open up, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys turn to the side right here, this is basically what the product looks like from this point of view. So you can see for the table, it does give you guys a pretty good coverage on here for you guys to eat stuff if you guys do want to. So maybe if you guys want to put this by your sofa or your couch to actually use your laptop or eat here, you do have the option available. And the way how to design this tray is very sturdy, if you can see. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. So right here is the top, here is the side, and then right here is the bottom. So the material that they use on here definitely feels like a high quality material, but having that foldable design that's on here is actually pretty cool. So that way the product is actually very compact and very minimal. So that way when you guys are not using it, you can put it away real easy. So just like this. And just lean this against the wall when you guys need to use it again, which is pretty cool. And then once you guys are ready to use it again, you guys can open it up. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. And I also love the way how they designed the corner on the edges right here. It's not like a sharp edge. It's actually curved, so it's safe. So that way if you guys do bump on here, it is fine. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in office, or anywhere else, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality foldable table, like the one that we have right here, where they also give you guys like that marble design, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.